There was once a man named Tom Harris who worked as a janitor at a big space research center in Houston, Texas. He was 42 years old, with gray hair, tired eyes, and a heart full of dreams that never got a chance. Every night, after everyone left, Tom would quietly sweep the floors of the massive hangars, where real rockets were being built. He watched engineers in white coats talk about engines, fuel systems, and space missions. And while mopping the floors, he would often pause, look up at the huge rocket models, and whisper to himself, "One day, maybe I'll touch the stars too." But life wasn't kind. Tom had dropped out of school at 17 to feed his family. His wife worked in a diner, and their son was in high school. He barely earned enough to pay bills. Still, every night after work, Tom sat in a corner of the janitor's room, reading old science books he picked up from the trash. He tried to understand how rockets worked. He didn't understand everything, but he kept learning little by little. One night, around midnight, something unexpected happened. A young engineer forgot his laptop on the testing floor. Tom went to return it, but when he reached the control area, he saw something strange. On one of the computer screens, there was a model of the rocket engine. It showed a warning sign, fuel pressure imbalance detected. Tom had cleaned that same area for months. He'd heard the engineers talk about that exact problem many times. He looked closely and noticed something. One of the valves in the simulation was slightly tilted, just like the real one in the hangar. Tom hesitated, then walked to the real engine and gently looked at the valve. He realized a small metal clip was missing, something he had seen fall days ago while cleaning. He quickly found the clip near the floor drain and placed it back carefully. Then he left quietly, never saying a word to anyone. The next morning, the engineers ran another test, and it worked perfectly. Everyone celebrated, thinking they had fixed the issue through the system update. No one knew the truth except Tom. Days later, the head engineer called for a meeting. He said, "We want to thank whoever fixed that loose valve. It could have caused a major failure." Tom smiled silently from the corner and continued sweeping the floor. Months passed. The big launch day arrived. The rocket Tom had watched for years was finally ready. Everyone gathered at the control room, watching the countdown. 10, 9, 8. Tom stood behind the glass, wearing his janitor uniform, heart pounding like a drum. When the rocket lifted off, fire and light filled the sky. Tears rolled down Tom's face as he whispered, "I may not have built it, but I helped it fly." After the successful launch, an email went viral across the entire space center. It was from the head engineer. It said, "Behind every success, there are people we don't see. One janitor, one helper, one believer, who does their job with love and pride. To all the invisible heroes, thank you." Tom's story spread across the center. The next week, the management called him in, not to clean floors, but to join the maintenance and safety team. He was finally recognized for his quiet dedication. Years later, when his son graduated college, he said during his speech, "My dad never went to space school, but he taught me the most important lesson. You don't need a title to make a difference. You just need heart." Moral of the story, never underestimate your value, no matter where you work or what you do. The world may not always see your effort, but your time will come. Keep showing up, keep learning, keep believing. Because one small act, one quiet effort, can change everything. Greatness doesn't always wear a lab coat. Sometimes it carries a mop.